Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation, before creating any project, we must need to create a model first. So in this video, I will show you how to create a model in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. For this, you open Visual Studio. Once you open Visual Studio, you can see the Dynamics 365 menu here. Click on this Dynamics 365 menu. Then you can see model management. Under model management, you can see create model, refresh model, update model parameters. So for creating a new model, you click on create model menu. Then once you click on that menu, it will open one wizard. It will ask to fill some parameters. So here you fill a model name. Model name is the name of the model. Model publisher will be who is publishing this model. Layer, we have different layers. I will explain these layers in the next session. This is the version. So next is model description. Model description means the purpose of this model. You can write the description here. Model display name, the same as that of the model name. So I will fill here with some dummy data. So I give the model name like D365 practice model. So your purpose is for practice, that's why I'm giving this name. So model name will be D365 practice model. Model publisher will be D365 snippets. Here I choose a wire layer that will explain the next sessions. So version, it is automatically filled here 10.0.0.0. So model description will be what is the purpose of this model. Here this model is for D365 F&O training and practice. So this is the purpose of this model. Model display name will be same as that of this model name. It will automatically fill here. So you click on the next button. Here you have two options: select package and select create a new package, select existing package. So I choose create new package because I am creating one new package here. So you have another option, you can select already existing package. Suppose you can once click on that, it will display all the existing package in this system. So if you are selecting this, our newly created project will be added to this package and to this model, related to that package. So that's the thing. So here I create one new package. So I select create new package, then click on the next button. Then here you can see some reference packages. We have some standard reference packages that is already listed here. If we are creating some another package, that also will be listed here. So here it will, by default, it will show some standard reference packages. So here you can see the application platform. Then another one important standard reference package is application suite. Also another one is application foundation. So these are the very important standard packages you must choose when creating any model. So once you tick on these three packages, you can click on next. So in future, if you once at the time of development, if you see any errors, so you can enable the reference packages based on your scenarios. So that you can use in the future modules. So once you fill all this, once you tick all these packages, click on next button. Here it will give one summary that you have chosen before the parameters. The name is D365 practice model. Display name is same as that of name. Publisher will be D365 snippets. Layer we chosen where version is 1.0.0.0. Description, this model is for D365 F&O training and practice. So here then we have another option: create new package, new project. Make this my default model for all new projects. So I'm not creating any project now, so untick this. Also untick this because I created different models for different projects, so that's why I'm unchecking this. So once you done this all these things, click on this finish button. It will create the model. So the model is created. If you want to check this model, you can see model management, update model parameters. You can search here D365 practice model. See, you can see practice model. If you want to update anything for this model, so you can update the by using update model parameters. So this is about this video. Thanks for stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.